Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
You start by securing your data, create a time machine backup, and confirm it worked. Once done, you can act without fear. Next, open Activity Monitor and sort by CPU and memory to spot offenders. Quit or force quit those apps. Make sure to save work first. Then, free space. Delete old installers, large downloads, and duplicate files, aiming for roughly 10 to 20% free disk space, because Mac OS needs headroom to manage memory and virtual swap. Now move into deeper cleanup and system settings. Use storage management and follow recommendations to offload, empty trash automatically, and reduce clutter. Once done, remove unnecessary login items. This stops apps from launching at startup and speeds boot. Update Mac OS and apps to current versions because patches often fix performance bugs. If performance issues continue, reset SMC and NVRAM. These resets address power and hardware parameter misconfigurations. Follow Apple's documented steps exactly and reboot to observe changes. Finish with verification and a last resort plan. Run Apple Diagnostics to check RAM, battery, and logic board issues. Write down any reference codes. If diagnostics pass, create a new user account and test performance. This isolates corrupted user profiles or settings. Make sure to test with Safe Mode Boot. If lag persists, reinstall Mac OS via recovery mode, keeping your backup ready. If problems remain after reinstall, take note of error codes and contact an authorized service provider. Hardware repair may be needed.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.